Affiliate marketing. What actually is it? What does it mean? And what is it all about? Whereas digital marketing, you're promoting your own product. In affiliate marketing, you are promoting someone else's product. So let's say you're doing an unboxing and a product review for a microphone. And let's say someone that is watching that review is super interested now in that specific microphone. As an affiliate for Amazon, you're going to put the product link in the description for your video, and then they can turn around, click on that link, and then you would get a percentage of that sale. So now each company has a different cookie window. And what that cookie window means is that if someone clicks on your link today, and let's say they get distracted, their kid comes in the room and distracts them, and they get pulled away from what they're doing. And then 3 hours later, they go back in to Amazon. They haven't clicked on your link, but they clicked on your link initially to bring them to the Amazon site or app. So now it's 3-4 hours later. They don't need to go back and click on your link. You're within the cookie window. So let's say they add that microphone to their cart. And let's say they also forget that they need baby wipes. They need a replacement power cord for something. They need 2 or 3 other items. You will get a percentage of that entire total order sale. So the longer the cookie window for a company, the better for you as an affiliate for them. I've seen some furniture places literally go up to 6 months to a year. And so you click on that link, and 6 months from now, that person goes in and actually purchases a bedding set. You're going to get a commission for that. You're going to wake up one morning and you're just going to see like, wow, I made X amount of dollars. Had no idea that it was happening. So when people talk about digital marketing and affiliate marketing and how to make passive income, consider digital marketing to be like the parent company, and then the affiliate marketing side is just it's a tier within digital marketing. It's just a different opportunity within digital marketing to make income. So as an affiliate, you want to try and sign up for as many affiliate programs as you can possibly get approved for, right? Now, you don't want to just go willy-nilly and start promoting every single product. You want to go and actually sign up for the affiliate programs for the companies that you actually use, that you love, that you use on a daily basis, right? You want to only promote products that you use or have used and stand behind. You don't want to just go and start promoting every single product, and then people that are coming and following you are clicking and purchasing some of these links, and these products are lackluster, and it all turns around on you and kind of gives your reputation a little hit negatively. So if you're asking why would companies pay? Well, the reality is this. The more eyeballs that they have on their products, the better. They view it as being well worth it to pay you a commission. So affiliate marketing is really the way to go when you're trying to create passive income. Digital marketing does take a lot more work up front because, one, you have to have products, right? Like you have to create your own products. You have to have something, a product or a service to provide for customers for them to come and buy your products. With affiliate marketing, you're using the power of just promoting an established product already, and you're just driving that traffic to their site. So it's a lot more passive upfront, a lot easier to start, but they're both the way that you want to go in 2024 because the digital marketing will become passive. Either way, 2024, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, it is the way to go. Get on it now, guys. Don't sleep on it. Don't let it be 2025 and 26 and 27 and digital and affiliate marketing have taken off and you are getting in the game late. All right. 2024 is your year to jump on it. Get into it now. It's a phenomenal skill for you to learn. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. I am happy to help you. Until next time, guys, have a great night.